Kia ora, I'm Sheree Kinnear and this is the COVID-19 news update for Friday. New Zealand has recorded its deadliest day since the COVID-19 pandemic first hit, with cases skyrocketing across the country. 5 people with COVID have died and there are a record 12,011 new community cases on the first day of New Zealand's move to phase 3 of the government's Omicron response. 2 of the people who died were being cared for in Auckland's North Shore Hospital, 2 were in Waikato and 1 in Tauranga. Today's 5 additional deaths take New Zealand's tally since the pandemic began to 61. There are 237 people in hospital with an average age of 52, while 3 people are in intensive care. Today's new case numbers are a 95.7% increase over yesterday, but the ministry says the jump in case numbers was expected. Meanwhile, a group of protesters have crossed Cook Strait and arrived in Wellington to join the occupation here at Parliament. Around 18 people, including children, were seen disembarking from a boat on Queen's Wharf this afternoon. However, Police Assistant Commissioner Richard Chambers has made it clear they remain committed to returning freedom of movement to Wellingtonians. He said the protest was having an unreasonably negative impact on residents, workers and students. Earlier today, COVID-19 Response Minister Chris Hipkins announced changes for schools. All school students would now be able to participate in school activities despite if they were vaccinated or not, and gathering limits would no longer apply when unvaccinated students were participating. 40 million face masks, portable air filters and CO2 monitors are being distributed at schools, and they'll have access to 700,000 rapid antigen tests if they need them. On vaccinations, there were 25,461 booster doses administered yesterday, and overall around 68.8% of the eligible population have been boosted. On testing, in the last 24 hours, there were just over 30,900 PCR tests processed, and there are 6.9 million rapid antigen tests in the country. Of today's new community cases, 3,807 were detected via PCR tests, and 8,223 were identified using rats. And that's the latest COVID-19 news. For more and to stay up to date, head to nzherald.co.nz. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here, and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.